Get it, let's talk, cousins. Let's go to this cleaning. It's my cleaning in this fancy neighborhood for my business. It's not a Home and Glow job, baby. It's an Ebony Solutions job. And they found me on Instagram, and I came in and I cleaned that house. As you know, I did. I put my glove on. I found my battery to my portable cordless vacuum. But then I discovered they had a Dyson, so I was like, I about to use your Dyson. Child, I say, bump the booty booloo. The booty booloo. Then I made me some good water because this was a deep clean and I was really attacking those baseboards in that house. Of course, I had mopped the bathroom floors and I made sure to take care of the window glass and the cracks and the crevices. This was a very detailed cleaning. And I clearly, delivered as I always do. I called this job to me. I boldly proclaimed to the universe what I wanted and I got it. So it's a blessing. Jesus, the light of the world.